Stocks, bonds, mutual fund. These are all traditional investments. Now, as compared to this, there is an alternative available which invests into commodity, hedge funds, real estate. These are called alternative investments. In India, this industry is at $90 billion, and globally, this industry is expected to grow to $18 trillion by the end of this year. If you also want to get into the alternative investment space, then doing CAIA can help you. And these are the 5 reasons to do CAIA as a part of your career. First, unlike other certification, this is not general, it is very specific. It talks about hedge funds, real estate, commodities, private equity in detail. Second, it equips you about risk management technique like VAR, stress testing, scenario analysis specific to alternative investment area. CAIA provides you with comprehensive understanding about the alternative investment industry, right from due diligence, valuation, and legal consideration also. It also equips you with portfolio management skill set, ethical standards, and decision making. I hope this video helps you in gaining knowledge about the certification. In case you need any guidance, do reach out to me.